Hi, I'm Rosie. I was looking for an area rug and I am so happy that I found this hand-tufted wool rug. For reference, this is a 5 foot round and in teal color. First of all, the rug came rolled so you don't have to worry about any creases from folding. All I did was unroll it. And if you want it to become flatter, you can run the vacuum over it. I'm gonna show you. As you can see, it's pretty easy to vacuum, which is a huge plus for me. Secondly, it's not too heavy nor lightweight, so I can carry it around myself. So I'm gonna lift it up right now. You can tell it's not that heavy at all. The color is beautiful, it's vibrant, and exactly how the picture look like, and it matched my wall so well. One of my fear was that it would shed a lot, but it's not that bad at all. It's acceptable. See, you can have a closer look here. I'm showing you. Not that bad. Here is how it looked in the back. I wouldn't say it's completely non-slip, but it's not that easy to slip on either. On the scale from 1 to 10, I would give it a 7 for slipperiness. The thickness is 0.75 inches. And since it's made of wool, I expect it to last for a long time. Here is how it looked in my entrance. Overall, I'm happy with it. Check it out for yourself.